Rudy! To me, ritual is about doing something that relaxes you and calm you down, and to be mindfulness about what is happening around you at the moment. This is Queenie, and I have created a ritual for light the mood. Sometimes I'm sensitive to artificial lights. When the lights are too bright, it gives me a headache. So I think that lighting some candles here and there would be much better for me. During this ritual, I feel like that this is the moment only for me, belongs to me. And when the candles are lit and when the flames are flickering, I feel like that these things are creating a safe bubble for me to be at the moment. Relaxing on the bed with my dog, this is a time for me to think about what's really important to me. For example, who do you miss in your life and what do you miss doing in your life? I try to check in with myself every day. Since the pandemic, there's been a lot of stress and worries. So it's very important for you to ask yourself every day, how are you doing? If you have done something quality, happy and meaningful to yourself.